Hey everyone! Today, we're checking out the 10-foot string light poles, a set of 4 durable metal stands designed to elevate your outdoor lighting game with no height restrictions. These poles are built from high-quality metal, ensuring they won't bend or wobble, and their excellent load-bearing capacity allows you to hang multiple strings of lights, banners, lanterns, or even wind chimes on high fences or walls. What's great is that they don't take up any floor space, keeping your patio or backyard design clean and open while enhancing the overall lighting effect. Installation is a breeze with their integrated design, no extra assembly or bases needed, so you can set them up quickly and independently wherever you find a sturdy spot. Plus, their lightweight and versatile design makes them perfect for various locations like decks, patios, cafes, and even indoor spaces. Lastly, these poles come with a helpful manual and reliable customer support to ensure you get the best experience possible with your outdoor lighting setup. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.